Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll be explaining linear Diophantine equations using congruence method. So given ax minus by is equal to 3 is equal to c, a, b, and c are integers, find integer solutions for x and y. So case 1 would be 6x minus 9y is equal to 29. So step 1, we have to find the greatest common divisor of 6 and 9. And the GCD of 6 and 9 is 3. So step 2, then we have to verify if 3 can divide 29. If the answer is yes, then there's solutions, and otherwise, there's no solution. And obviously, 3 can't divide 29, so there's no solution. The reason is the left side has factors 3 and 2x minus y, but the right side doesn't have a factor of 3. So case 2 would be 6x minus 9y is equal to 30. And now because we have on both sides we can divide by 3, we can reduce the equations to co-prime coefficients. So 6x minus 9y is equal to 30. And then you can factorize 3 out of this and 3 out of this. So you get 3 times 2x minus 3y is equal to 3 times 10. And you could just cancel out the 3. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 10. So step 4 would be to convert this to a congruence. So take a look at 2x minus 3y is equal to 10. Since minus 3y is already a multiple of 3, we can rewrite this as 2x is congruent to 10 modulo 3. So that means 2x when divided by 3 gives us the same remainder as when 10 would be divided by 3. And now step 5 would be to find the multiplicative inverse of 2 modulo 3. So by guessing and checking, we know that the inverse of 2 is equal to 2 modulo 3. Now step 6 would be to solve the congruence. As I said before, 2x is congruent to 10 modulo 3. That means if we multiply both sides by the inverse of 2, we get on the left side x, and on the right side the inverse of 2 times 10, which is also 2 times 10, which is 20. So x is congruent to 20 modulo 3, which means x is also congruent to 2 modulo 3. So now step 7 would be to find the Diophantine solutions. So here we have x is equal to 3t plus 2, when t is an integer. Since when x is divided by 3, we get some integer plus 2, with a remainder of 2 basically. Now 2x minus 3y is equal to 10, which can also be written as 2 times 3t plus 2 minus 3y is equal to 10, which also gives us 6t plus 4 minus 3y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 2t minus 2, where t is also an integer. So step 8 would be to verify the results. So we got x is equal to 3t plus 2 and y is equal to 2t minus 2. So if t is equal to 0, so we're just going to input some t values to verify. So if t is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2. And if we replace the x and y values, we get 30. So it works when t is equal to 0. When t is equal to 1, when t is equal to 1, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0. And if we were to input those x and y values, we still get 30. So our solution was right, and yep, that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.